has been one hell of a day. My nose is bleeding. Like what? Goodbye. Hey guys, I am over the trauma of my fan situation. Apparently I'm not over it. But anyway, it's time for a bed. Alright, we're gonna move on. Gonna move on to this bed. So let's get this bed. Wow, it really looks messy back there. It's not quite as awful as it looks. Let's get this bed framed out so I can start sleeping in Earl. Okay guys, the base is done. Man, I am beat. This has been a day and it's hot. I got the pieces cut for the top. I'm about to assemble them and I'm gonna put the plywood on, and then we have a bed. Well, we have the frame and we have the bed. There's a lot more to it. There's compartments for laundry, there's a laundry hamper, there's Patty's thing, there's all the water tanks, I mean all that. There's a lot more to it, but the frame and a sleepable bed will be done in a few minutes. Thank Jesus. Oh, it's so good. Oh, and I can see everything. Oh, it's wonderful. Oh, okay. We're gonna get a Kleenex. Guys, this has been one hell of a day. My nose is bleeding. Like what? Goodbye. Okay, guys. I showered. I went to town and got a pizza and some brewskis, and I am in a much better bed. I am sleeping in Earl for the first time. I brought a little mattress topper and some sheets out, and I have my mini fridge. So, I'm in better spirits. We're gonna be okay. Earl's gonna be okay.
OMG, y'all. It is morning time. First morning in Earl. Leroy and I are waking up, aren't we? Yes, we are. And are you ready for this view? As a bonkers. This is gonna be good. I'm for it. I'm for waking up with like full window view on 3 sides. I'm for it.
Okay, all y'all, we're staining. Are you ready? We've already started. I recruited some help. How's it going, sister?
Good, as long as we keep it away from you.
I have some stain problems. I get too much on my brush and then it drips everywhere, as you can see. So I'm learning though. So we're just putting some stain on this. I'm putting some stain inside too, you know? Like I don't want to lift up my bed to show people like, oh, look what's under here, and it'd be like raw and unfinished, right? So I don't think it brought enough stain, so we're gonna run out, but we're gonna get done what we can get done. Okay, so we did not get done because we ran out of stain. I am a fool and did not buy enough. But we did get a decent amount done. Here's the top. The backside doesn't look good because the backside of this like composite plywood takes the stain really bad, but at least it has some color on it and it doesn't look raw. But the other wood, I think it looks really good. More importantly, my fan came. So we're gonna get it in this hole. I'm gonna work on the wires right now, and then fingers crossed this time. Y'all, I thought I had lost the footage of me installing this fan after it came, but I just found it. So, you know what, guys, I'm new to this YouTube thing, okay? I'm having a hard time with media management, but I'm getting it. But anyway, here we are gonna put in the fan. Okay, can you grab the wire crimpers? They're in the tool bag. Tool bag. Okay guys, we are on the roof. We're going to, you know, install this fan. So, let's do it. Okay, we're just wiring this up, and then we're gonna go plug her in. So these are going straight to my 12-volt batteries. Why? Because this is a 12-volt fan, which I learned the hard way. Most RVs and travel trailers run off of 12-volt systems. But I have an inverter which converts the 12-volt power from my batteries to 110 or 120 or whatever it is. 110? 110. So fingers crossed that we don't hear any sparks flying and sizzling like we did last time. Okay guys, it's the moment of truth. Okay, it did not work. Maybe you have to pair this with it or something.
Let me read the directions.
Yeah.
Will you just show me the book?
Okay, it's on. What? Okay. Let's turn it up. Let's crank it all the way up. Yay, success. Oh, hi. I couldn't help but overhear you saying how desperate you were to watch more YouTube videos. Well, you can. Subscribe here. You won't miss a thing. Or watch my film, Once is Enough, right here. Or just click here. Watch another video.